Here in this video, I'm going to be removing this bridge. Let's get started. The bridge on this Martin needs to be removed. The back of it is lifting. I need to remove it and reglue it back on. I'm going to use a 250 watt heating lamp. This is a very common thing that happens to a lot of older guitars. The bridge can become loose over time. It needs to be reglued back down. If this was a less expensive guitar, I could probably wick in some thin glue. That's pretty stupid, okay. Because this is a Martin and it's for a very special client, a good buddy of mine, so the bridge needs to come off. Let me show you the tools I'm going to use. First, I have a razor blade and I have this spatula. This is just a blade that I got at an art store and shaped the front of it to be a little more rounded. And then I buffed the back to be super smooth with some steel wool so it doesn't mar the finish. Of course, I have a 250 watt heating lamp and I keep it clamped nearby so I can easily set it down without any risk of fire. The other thing I'm going to use is this insulated protector for the top. That's pretty much all you need. Okay, now I've got that scored. I've got this reflector sheet, which actually has cardboard on the inside of it, so it's pretty insulated. And I'm going to use this as a guard, so when I use this heat lamp, I don't affect the guitar at all. I just want to heat this up for maybe 5 minutes. I want to get it to about 200 degrees. Keep the light moving as I'm doing this. The bridge is hot, the body's cold, so this reflector is working pretty well. Actually, I want to spin the guitar this way, come in from the back side, because I'm right-handed. I'm starting to check it and see if the glue is starting to soften up. I can see I need to add the heat a little bit longer. It's getting close. It needs to be a little warmer. Still connected in the front and I don't want to rip the finish, so I'm just going very slow. And there you have it. It came off really clean. While the glue is still soft, I'm going to go ahead and scrape as much as I can off the bridge. Then I'm going to scrape the glue off the top and get a good, clean gluing surface. Take some acetone to the back of the bridge. Before I glue this back down, I want to do a little dry run for clamping. Just going to use these bridge pins to align it. I'm kind of discovering that the position of the braces are right in the way where I want to put outside clamps. So I'm going to need to make some special cauls for this. I'm going to go with some magnets and lay out the position of these braces. So this is the corner right here. Come this way down the brace. It's over here. And then moving this direction. The thickness of the brace. From here. Down to there. So basically, I have to make a caul that bridges this brace right here for that side. And on the opposite side, over here, okay, so there is the X bracing pattern that interferes with the bridge. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to put the caul, it's going to actually go on the brace right here. So I'm going to notch this piece of wood. I'm going to use this one for that side, this one on this side. So now I'm going to cut 2 notches. This is going to be the bass side. This is going to be the treble. I'm going to go and notch these out. Okay, let me show you. So I basically just put a little impression on my spindle sander, just a little groove. That's going to sit right there on top of that brace. And I've got one for the bass side as well. So this one's going to go, I guess, right there. Okay, so let me show you this. Hopefully this makes sense. So here's how I'm going to clamp it. This is just a dry run. And I'm going to have one more clamp in the center with a caul here. But on the inside, you can see I have the caul sitting on the bass side brace and then one on the treble side, and everything's covered with packing tape, so no risk of it sticking to the inside of the guitar. And I'm gonna go ahead and glue it up like this. This caul here has got a little radius on it, so it fits the top of the bridge nicely. Thanks for joining me to the end of this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.